Take command of the road in the 2013 Volvo XC90. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.2-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, a headlight cleaning system, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and seat memory. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rear child seats, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.